The hydraulic forced-feeding tree branch shredder is conducive to reducing the volume of fluffy branches and feeding quickly. The front-pressing roller can prevent the material from flowing back and ensure the safety of use. The drum cutter rotor structure optimizes the cutting effect and can easily crush 15 cm logs to obtain higher output. The finished product is more suitable for making organic fertilizer and ground cover. More things made in China, more tree branch shredder machine made in China. If you want to know about any equipment, please let us know in the comment area.